into the main city at your 12 o'clock. Sing for them.
Okay, boss, I see them. Let's just hope they know this tune.
It is inevitable, Jamaica. This planet has been marked for annihilation. The inhabitants of this planet will be erased from existence. Humanity is not perfect. As such, the construct of their labor.
Oh, I hear those little... Shaman!
The fate of their existence is in their hands.
That just might work. We not give it nothing wrong, and if we're back as a team, we don't see how them can't stop we.
How the brother ya?
Bounty Price, this is Simbi. A merman from the Hidden Atlantis deep in the Caribbean Sea.
So I'm a one fish.
I am a water spirit.
Yeah.